everyone, I have another Ipsy Boxycharm premium unboxing for you. As always, thanks for all you do to support the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, interact with this video telling me you want more. I'll make a playlist with all my beauty unboxings in it so it's easy to find. Here's the March box for you. This is the power picks that you could have chose from. I'll have everything linked underneath about the price, where you sign up, everything like that. I've been subscribed to Ipsy for years now, and I absolutely love it, to be honest. First thing I chose, this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's kind of weird that it's just out of the packaging though, like it's not in a box, but it's sealed and everything. But I've tried this cream before. I absolutely love it. And I think it's like $100 or $90 or something like that on its own. So I'm obsessed with this. Then I have the Girlactic Fruit Superfood Sugar-Free Face Scrub. I love skincare. I have only tried one other thing from Girlactic, but I absolutely loved it. It was like this pan with blush and a highlight cream product, and I used it to the very pan. Like you'll see it in an empties. So I'm excited to try something else from them. The next item I chose as well, it's this Ever Eden 50 SPF Premium Mineral Sunscreen, water resistant, broad spectrum sunscreen. So it says safe for sensitive skin, which I have, dermatologist tested. So I always need sunscreen. Summer's coming up, spring's coming up, trips are hopefully coming up, and I always need a good sunscreen, and I have very sensitive skin and sunscreen makes me break out a lot. So I usually have to pay a premium for sunscreen. So this is premium sunscreen, so hopefully it doesn't break me out. So I'm excited. Then I have the Anastasia Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. Super excited about that. Love this brand. Then I have this Tise lip butter in jelly. I've been getting, and it has shea butter and lip gloss. So I've been getting all the lip butters, all the lip balm butters, all of the, wow, the packaging on this is so cute and the color is so pretty. This is in the color, it doesn't, oh, the color's jelly. So again, every time there's a lip butter, a lip oil, something like that, I usually choose it because I have very dry skin, as you guys know. This is gonna go right into my purse and I'm gonna try it. I've been finding like lip butters and stuff actually give me better hydration, and I really do need it. And the last thing I chose, and I'm so excited about this, this is Drunk Elephant Silk Amino Conditioning Leave-In Milk. Strengthen Silk Amino Acids, biotin oil, and then it says, so it's a leave-in conditioner, and it's a styling milk and heat protectant that strengthens, smooths, and deeply moisturizes hair while giving soft, flexible hold. Silk aminos and proteins rebuild weakened hair bonds, strengthening and smoothing damaged color process. So I have color process hair, and it's always damaged because I always style it, I curl it, I straighten it. So I'm so excited about this. And Drunk Elephant is a really good brand. I think I've tried everything I've tried from them, I've really liked. So I would rate this box a 5 out of 5. Absolutely love this. I already know. This I really need. These brands I really love. And this just looks amazing. Like the color and everything. I couldn't ask for more in a box. And I love that I have like hair stuff, body stuff, sunscreen. As you guys know, I like to choose things that I want to use, and then if I'm not going to use them, I gift them right away. So this is the box for March, one of my favorites. Let me know what you think underneath. See you in the next one.